Is it possible to upgrade to a permanent license from a subscription plan for Photoshop?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: upgrading to a permanent license from a subscription plan for Photoshop. Many of you have asked whether it's possible to transition from a subscription-based plan to a permanent license. Well, let's dive right in and find out.
Can you upgrade to a permanent license?
So, the big question is, can you upgrade your subscription plan for Photoshop to a permanent license? The short answer is no. Adobe, the company behind Photoshop, currently offers a subscription-only model known as Adobe Creative Cloud. This means that you can only access Photoshop and other Adobe applications through a subscription plan, and there is no option to upgrade to a permanent license.
Why is there no option to upgrade?
Now, you might be wondering why Adobe doesn't provide an option to upgrade to a permanent license. Well, there are a few reasons for this. First and foremost, the subscription model allows Adobe to provide continuous updates and improvements to their software. With a subscription, you always have access to the latest features, bug fixes, and security updates. Additionally, the subscription model provides Adobe with a more stable and predictable revenue stream. This allows them to invest in research and development, ensuring that they can continue to innovate and deliver high-quality software.
Benefits of the subscription model.
While it's understandable that some users might prefer a permanent license, the subscription model does come with its own set of benefits. One major advantage is the affordability and flexibility it offers. Instead of paying a large upfront cost for a permanent license, you can pay a monthly or annual fee, which may be more manageable for many users. Additionally, the subscription plan often includes access to other Adobe applications, such as Illustrator, InDesign, and Premiere Pro, providing a comprehensive suite of creative tools. Another benefit is that the subscription model ensures you always have access to the latest versions of the software. As new features and improvements are released, you can update your applications without any additional cost. This way, you can stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques in the creative industry. To wrap things up, upgrading to a permanent license from a subscription plan for Photoshop is not currently possible. Adobe's Creative Cloud offers a subscription-only model, providing continuous updates, affordability, and access to a suite of creative tools. While some users might prefer a permanent license, the subscription model has its own set of benefits, including affordability, flexibility, and access to the latest software updates. We hope this video has clarified the situation for you. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.